Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tech savvy Okemutefole Ernest. Guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can start a faceless YouTube channel even when you don't have any idea of where to get started, how to get started, the tools to use. This video is already here to show you how to do all of that. Okay, all you need to do is just sit back, watch this video to the end and start implementing. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, guys, I want to say thank you so much. You guys are the real deal. So guys, let's get into today's business. This video is going to show you how to get started on YouTube, a faceless YouTube channel. If you're the type that is shy, you don't want to show your face, you don't want people to see you, you don't know how to be confident when you're looking at the camera, this video is going to help you to get started regardless of whatever your circumstances could be. It could actually be you don't even have access to a good camera phone and you don't know where to get started from. This video is also going to help you. Now, if you have access to the internet and this particular age where we are, where there's artificial intelligence, all of these things are going to be sorted out for you. If you're someone who don't know how to come up with content, you don't know how to even use the right tools to create your videos, this video is going to help you in a jiffy on how to do all of that. Now, what is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is a channel where you don't get to show your face. Like, nobody cares to know who you are. Nobody wants to see your face. You don't want to show your face simply because it's either you're shy or you don't have good camera quality and you just don't want your face to be seen. You don't want anybody to just see who is behind the scene. Okay, if you're that type of person, if you fall into that category, this video is going to help you to get started. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more persons who are searching for videos like this. All right, so guys, let's get started. Now I'm going to show you a particular tool that I use in creating a faceless YouTube channel. That is a tool I use to manage a faceless YouTube channel for a particular client. All right, and then we're also going to use our popular artificial intelligence tool, which is CHATGPT. Guys, that tool is amazing. So in my subsequent videos, you're going to be hearing me talk about CHATGPT because it has really helped me to do a lot of things, from generating a resume, cover letters, creating content, writing blog posts, able to create profile description and the rest of them. This tool is amazing and it can also help you to generate content for your faceless YouTube channel. Okay, just in case you're wondering how you're going to come up with content, you don't even know what to do, then keep watching this video. Okay, so one of the things you need to understand is that first of all, you need to create your channel. Okay, and if you come to this playlist, if you come to my YouTube channel, go to playlist, you're going to see videos on YouTube. See this playlist here, just click on it and it's going to show you all the videos I have here regarding to YouTube creation and the rest of them, even how to upload a video to your YouTube channel using your smartphone. I already uploaded it here. Okay, so you can do all of that using your smartphone. Now if you've done that, just head back and you will be able to create your channel. Let's assume you've already created your channel. Now how do you get started with your content creation? So this is where ChatGPT is going to come in. So ChatGPT, I use it to generate my content, and one of the things I tell people to do is, if you're trying to use ChatGPT during the daytime, you're definitely going to have issues with network problem. Maybe they will be finding it difficult to generate your request query for you because the traffic on the site is huge during the daytime. So I would advise you to use it mainly early hours of the morning, let's say within 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m. where people are preparing to go to work, and late in the night, usually within 10, 11, 12 a.m. when people are going to bed. So I would advise you to use ChatGPT at that moment. You will definitely get answers to your queries. Okay, so if you understand that particular statement, then you should go ahead to start creating your content. Now here is what you're going to do. You need to first of all understand what niche are you going into. in this your faceless YouTube channel? Are you going there to talk about marriage, talk about relationship, talk about technology? For someone like me who is based on technology, everything I do on my channel relates to technology, making money online, artificial intelligence tool, like anything you can do online to remain relevant. Okay, those are the things I teach on my channel. So if you're someone who wants to go into that particular phase as well, then you can also use ChatGPT to create content. Okay, so in this particular video, we're going to assume someone wants to do want to start your faceless YouTube channel regarding to marriage niche. Okay, so what do? How do you come up with content? What you're going to do is to just come to ChatGPT and ask for content ideas for marriage YouTube channel, okay, and see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. So remember, I said if ChatGPT is not giving you answers to your queries, it could be that at that moment you're searching, there is a lot of traffic. Okay, so you can see here now they're giving us ideas, they're giving us a lot of things: vow writings and renewal ceremonies, marriage, enrichment. Okay, then I think I have a particular chat here that I've done before. Let me just click and see if it will open. Okay, so you see this particular one here, I used it yesterday. I was trying to create this particular video yesterday, but I had some issues with glitch, and network issues was really bad, so I had to turn it off. So that's why I'm making this video again. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, if you're getting value, subscribe, like this video, so that YouTube will get to show it to more persons who are searching for this video. So right here you can see there's a particular question I searched. I say I need content ideas for a marriage niche YouTube channel, and you see the content ideas they gave to me. So if you're someone who is starting on the marriage niche, you can get marriage tips and advice which you share on people on some particular days, let's say Wednesdays, and then on Thursdays you talk about date night ideas, on Friday you talk about couple questions and answers, on Monday you talk about marriage stories, like just like that. Okay, this is an idea on how you can go about with your faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so remember, this faceless YouTube channel is not limited to those who are in the marriage niche. I'm just using this as an example. Okay, you can go into other niche like technology, you can go into other niche like health and the rest of them. You can get health tips from this ChatGPT. Okay, how to stay healthy. If you're someone who wants to talk about sex all the time, you can use ChatGPT to also talk about sex. Okay, just be known for something on YouTube and grow from there. Don't be all round. Don't be someone who is talking about tech, you're talking about marriage, you're talking about sex, you're talking about football, you're talking about sports. Like, people are not going to know you for something. Okay, so that's why it's good to narrow down, niche down. Once you start getting recognition, you can now use that audience to expand and grow your niche. All right, so that being said, let's say for example we want to start with what is marriage on our channel. This is the video we want to create. What is marriage? So what I'm going to do now, this particular content that ChatGPT has generated for me, I'm just going to come here and copy this content, and then let me show you the tool that I use in creating my videos. Because remember, the video we're creating are faceless YouTube videos, meaning your face is not going to show. Even though videos of other persons are going to show, your own particular face is not going to show, because you're someone who doesn't want your face to be showing on YouTube. So right here, the tool I use is called STEVE AI. Okay, so STEVE AI, what you need to do when you get to STEVE AI, just go there and create your account. Okay, just type on your browser steve.ai. Okay, so when you type that, you're going to create your account, and trust me, you can also access this particular website using your smartphone. All you need to do is to turn your smartphone into a desktop mode, so you can access your phone like you're having a desktop mode. Okay, through your settings. All right, so right here in my dashboard, I already have an account. So when you do that, just go to your dashboard, and these are the videos, some of the videos I've created. Let me just show you an example of one of the videos I've created before now. This is one of them. Just come here to my download. I created some videos. This is one of them. Okay,
Marriage Talk with Marriage Talker. Today, we will be discussing on how to make our marriage work. Do you think marriages still work? What do they do differently that you two can imbibe to make sense to the relation? Whether it's a date out in your relationship out well.
So guys, this is a video I created using STEVE AI. It was very easy. Okay, so I'm just going to head back, and when you get here, all you need to do is to click on start video, start a live video. So when you click on start, you get options to get started. Is it animation video you want to create? Is it a live video? You indicate what you want to create. Okay, so right here now, just click on this start button. Okay, so let's see, it's loading. Okay guys, so this is where we are right now. So what you're going to do is to select, do you want animation video or you want a live video? Okay, so that particular video I showed you is a live video, and we also have access to animation video. So right here, let me just say I want a live video because I want to talk about something that is real. So there's no need using animation. So if you're someone who wants to go into the education aspect where you teach people math, you teach people English, then you can use animation videos. Okay, so my video ratio is horizontal. My category, we have advertisement, we have announcement, we have birthday, we have business, we have explainer video, we have fashion, we have food, we have health, we have invite, we have listicles, we have portfolio, we have sale, we have social, we have travel, we have wishes. So whichever one of them you want to go for, let's say I want to go for we don't have anything related to marriage here, so I will just use anyone for the course of this training. Let's say I want to use health. Okay, I want to use health. So I'm going to see my title here. So what you do is to click on create sample script, and once you click on create sample script, it's going to generate a sample script for you. Okay, so you see topics here, you see mental health, you see safety, you see scan, you see yoga, you see hospital heating, you see laboratory ad. So whichever one of them you want to go with first is your choice. Okay, so let's say I just want to create a sample, that's all. Okay, so you see they've created a sample for me that I can work with. Okay, and if you're someone, you already have a sample, you already created your content and you want to make use of, then there is no need using their own script. All you need to do is to just come here, delete their script. I don't want to use their script, so I just delete it. So I want to add my own script, which I copied, so I'm going to paste now. So you can see my scripts now. So I come back here to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to copy another part like this. Then I'll come back here again, and I'm going to add and paste. So you can see my script. So these are my scripts. Now when you've done this, you've added your script and everything, the next thing you want to do is to come here. You come here and you see option for classroom. So I'm going to load here now. My video is not about classroom, my video is about marriage. So I'm just going to select marriage. Okay, it's about marriage. So all my sources are going to be free. I want to use their free resources. And then here I'm going to add voiceover. So you're going to select a voiceover. I want to use a female voiceover. So this is how their voiceover sound. Let's play it and see.
Hello, I am Joanna from Steve. I'm one of the voices you can use to make your text lifelike. When I read your text, it sounds like this.
Okay, so this is how it sounds. All right, so when you're done with this, just click on generate voice and it's added immediately. And then we have auto highlight. What this auto highlight does is it highlights important text in your video for you automatically, so you don't need to go too far. So right here now, I'm just going to click on next, and then it's going to ask us to choose a style. Okay, choose a style that we would love to use. Remember, I said we want to talk about marriage. So let's use something like this one. Is kind of related to marriage, so let's select this. So it's creating each of the scenes for us. Each of the scenes are loading, it's converting, and when it's done, it will take us to the next stage where we can now add volume or even play and see how it is, adjust the text, shift the text to where we want them to be. If there's anything covering it, you can adjust it at this particular stage. All right. Okay guys, so you can see here automatically it has generated pictures, videos that has to do with marriage for us. So you can see right here now. So let's play this particular video that they generated for us and see what it looks like. All right, so just play it.
It is recognized by society and is typically considered a lifetime commitment, although the definition and laws surrounding marriage can vary greatly between cultures and countries.
This is how your video is going to look like. All right, so this, you can see that there's an audio playing in the background. There's also a voice talking, okay, and there's also video content showing at the background as well. Okay, this particular tool is helping us to create content effortlessly without stress. Okay, so the next thing you want to do now is to just head over. If you're okay with everything, you're okay with the alignment, where the text is, where each of the content are, if you're okay with it, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on publish. Okay, so once you publish, you have option to download, and by the time you click on download, it's still going to take time to publish that particular work. Okay, so I'm just going to click on download now and see where it's going to take us to. So guys, you can see right here it's loading. This is where it brought us to. It's definitely going to bring you here. It's rendering the video that you created now. After rendering it, you will now see the direct link for you to download. So it says you will be notified once the process is finished and you can download the film from there. Okay, so just hold on and see. It's not going to take much time, except your video is very lengthy. All right. Okay guys, so while you are waiting for it to finish queuing, what you can do is you can just give it some few minutes, and then when you come back to your dashboard here, you'll see the videos here. All you need is to click, and then you see option to edit or download your videos. Okay, so most of these ones you're seeing here, I can share them, I can delete, I can duplicate, and I can edit. You've done that, you can as well just go back to your YouTube channel. Okay, go to your YouTube channel and upload your videos just like the ones I showed you guys. Okay, so you can see here I'm still trying to download that particular video, but it's saying the export is still 50%. Okay, so they are still working on it. It's 50%. So once it is 100%, we can now download and have access to it. So it's very simple. It's just the same way I have these particular videos here that I have downloaded before now. You can see them here. This particular one, I did this one I think early hours of today before I started recording this video. So
marriage is a social and legal union between two individuals that creates a bond between. In most cultures, marriage is seen.
So that is how you use this particular tool to create your content for your faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. Okay, so guys, if you got value for this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop any interesting video on this channel. See you guys, bye.